and welcome to Mathines Hub. Today we know about how to solve the polynomials and find its zeros. First we understand how many types of polynomials. A polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. Example 2i plus 3 x plus root 5 3 upon 5 p plus 1 etc. You see here that highest degree of variable y is 1, x is 1, p is 1. So it is called a linear polynomial. Again, a polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. We discuss in this video how to solve a quadratic polynomial. Examples: x square minus 5, 5y square plus 3y minus 2, root 7t square minus 2 upon 3 etc. You see the highest degree of variable is in each polynomial is 2. So it is called a quadratic polynomial. Third, a polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. Example: x cube plus 2x square minus x, y cube minus 3y plus 2 etc. You write many examples of this type, but you know that highest degree is 3 is called cubic polynomial, highest degree is 2 is called quadratic polynomial, and highest degree is 1 is called linear polynomial. In this video we know how to find zeros of quadratic polynomial and the relationship between the zero and coefficient of the variables. The standard form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Here a coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of x is b, and constant is c. We find the zeros of the following quadrilaterals and verify the relationship between the zeros and its coefficient. First, we write the value of a, b and c in this quadratic polynomial. Here a equals to coefficient of x square. If nobody there, we write here is 1. A equals to 1. B equals to coefficient of x. B equals to 8 and c equals to 15. Now we solve this quadratic polynomial to factorize. You know in previous class the method middle term is splitting. Here we parts of 8x 1x square, we write x square plus middle term splitting method. You know the product is 15 and the sum is 8. Two number is 3x 5x. Product is 3 5 ja 15 and sum is 3 and 5 8x. Now we make pair. In this pair common is x plus 3. In this pair common is 5x 15 divided by 5 3. The common factor is x plus 3 and then x plus 5. Here is the factor of this given quadratic polynomial. From the factor we find the zeros. The degree of the polynomial is 2, so it's have 2 zeros. First zero, x plus 3 equals to 0. Therefore x equals to minus 3 is the first zero. Second zero, x plus 5 equals to 0. Therefore x equals to minus 5 is the second zero. So first we find the two zeros of this quadratic polynomial, x equals to minus 3 and x equals to minus 5. Then we verify the questions. In verification, first we find the sum of zeros. First 0 is -3, second 0 is -5. When we sum, we get -8. And the formula of sum of zeros is minus b upon a. Here b is the coefficient of x, minus 8, and the a is the coefficient of x square is a equals to 1. So by formula we get -8, and by the zeros, sum of zeros is -8. Both are equal. Again we find the product of zeros. The product of zeros first 0 -3, second 0 -5. -3 multiply by -5. Minus minus plus 3 5s are 15. And the formula C upon A. C here value of constant, and A here 1. C equals to 15, and coefficient of x square means A. A equals to 1. 15 upon 1 is equals to 15. So this is the product of zeros. We get 15, and by formula C upon A we get 15 upon 1 equals to 15. So this is the zeros of the polynomial, and this is the verification. This is the second example. 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. You see that this is not arranged in order. First we arrange this in standard form. The standard form, you know, ax square plus bx plus c. So first 6x square, then minus 7x, and minus 3. So it is arranged in standard form. And now we solve this by middle term splitting. In this quadratic polynomial, the product is 6 3s minus 18. You write here product is minus 18 and sum is minus 7. We find any two numbers. Product is minus 18 and sum is minus 7. 6x square and minus 3 denote, you know, minus 7 we get 9 2s are 18. The product is 9 2s are 18, and 9 minus 2 is 7. 9x plus 2x. Here we see 9x minus 2x is plus, because we find minus 7x. Again we make pairs. In first pair, common factor is 3x, 3 2s are 6, x square, x, 3 3s are 9. In this second pair, only common is 1. 2x minus 3. And the common factor is 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3. And rest 3x plus 1. So you see that first we find the factors of the given quadratic polynomial, then find its zeros, first zeros to put first factor equals to 0. 2x minus 3 equals to 0. Then 2x equals to, transposing minus 3 is 3. So x equals to 3 upon 2. Second zero, 3x plus 1 equals to 0. 3x equals to minus 1. Therefore x equals to minus 1 upon 3. So we get two zeros of this given polynomial. X equals to 3 upon 2, x equals to minus 1 upon 3. Now we verified this result. First we find sum of zeros. Sum of 3 upon 2 plus minus 1 upon 3. We find LCM. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. 6 is divided by 2. We get 3. 3 3s are 9. Plus minus multiplication is minus. 3 2s are 6 and 2 1s are 2. So here we get sum of zeros is 7 upon 6. And now we formula minus b upon a. You know b means coefficient of x and a means coefficient of x square. Minus in the formula is first coefficient of x. You know coefficient of x in the quadratic polynomial is minus 7 and coefficient of x square is 6. Minus minus plus upon 6. So we get 7 upon 6 by sum of zeros and by formula 7 upon 6. Same is, now we find product of zeros. Product of zeros is, first 0 is 3 upon 2. Second 0 is minus 1 upon 3. We multiply 3 1 ja 3, 2 3 ja 6, minus 3 upon 6. By formula C upon A. C means constant term and A means coefficient of x square. Here constant term is minus 3 and coefficient of A is 6. So here we get minus 3 upon 6. So you see 7 upon 6, 7 upon 6, minus 3 upon 6, minus 3 upon 6. This is verified. Example number 3rd, we show that quadratic polynomial t square minus 15. Here the coefficient of t square is called A, is 1, and the coefficient of t is no. So coefficient of t equals to b is 0 and coefficient constant term is c equals to minus 15. This is the value of a, b and c from the standard form of quadratic polynomial. We solve this example by identity You know the identity a square minus b square. We solve this quadratic polynomial by a square minus b square identity. T square root 15 square. 15 is the square of root 15 square. Here we write down the identity a square minus b square equals to a plus b, a minus b, because 15 is not the square of any number. Both numbers square, and in this numbers sign is minus, then we write a plus b, a minus b. T plus root 15, t minus root 15 is the factors of this quadratic polynomial. Now we find the zeros. First zero is t plus root 15 equals to 0. Therefore t equals to minus root 15 is the first zero. Second zero, t minus root 15 equals to 0. T equals to root 15 is the second zero. So in this quadratic polynomial, you see very carefully the value of a, b and c. Then you know the identity a square minus b square equals to a plus b minus a minus b. Then find the factors and then find the zero. Now verification. Sum of zeros equals to minus root 15 plus root 15. Minus root 15 plus root 15 is cancelled. Then the value of sum of zeros is 0. By formula, sum of zeros minus b upon a. You know what is the value of b? B's value is 0 and a's values is 1. So the solution is 0. The sum of zeros is we get 0 and 0. B is the coefficient of t and a is the coefficient of t square. And multiplication of zeros, product of zeros is root 15 minus root 15 plus minus minus root 15 square, and the value is minus 15. By formula, c upon a. C is the constant value, is minus 15 and a is the value of 1. So we get by formula minus 15. So you see that product of zeros is same minus 15 upon minus 15, and sum of zeros is same 0 and by formula 0. And the answer is verified. In this example, the sum of zeros and product of zeros are given, and find a quadratic polynomial. We know the sum of zeros is, we know the formula, minus b upon a equals to 1 upon 4. If the zeros is, first zero is alpha and second zero is beta. We know the sum of zeros is 1 upon 4. We denote first zero is alpha, second zero is beta. Then alpha plus beta equals to minus b upon a equals to 1 upon 4. And the product of zeros means alpha multiplied by beta. Formula is c upon a is given is minus 1. Then how we find a quadratic polynomial? We use a formula where x square minus sum of zeros multiply by x plus product of zeros. X square minus sum of zeros, we know 1 upon 4, multiply by x. Product of zeros given is minus 1. Here we see x square minus x upon 4 plus minus 1. We multiply all the three numbers with 4 to eliminate the 4. Then we get 4x square minus x upon 4 into 4 minus 4. Cancel, 4 is 4, and we find polynomial is 4x square minus x minus 4 is the required polynomial. So in this example we find the quadratic polynomial when given sum of zeros and product of zeros. Again we explain that sum of zeros is 0, product of zeros is root 5. We know alpha plus beta, sum of zeros minus b upon a is 0, and product of zeros alpha beta c upon a is root 5. We using the formula to get quadratic polynomial x square minus sum of zeros multiplied by x plus product of zeros. Here x square minus sum of zeros is 0 multiplied by x plus product of zeros is root 5. So we get x square minus 0 multiplied by x is get 0 plus root 5, and hence is the answer x square plus root 5 is the answer or given polynomial. तो शुरू करना हो तो बोल दे. Thanks for watching. Hope this video is useful for you all in polynomials. Please like, share and subscribe Mathines Hub. Thank you.